There are various identities in trigonometry, which are used to solve many trigonometry problems. Using these trigonometry identities or formulas, complex trigonometry questions can be solved quickly. And we have different kinds of the trig identities. Let's talk about some of the fundamental identities. So the first group is the reciprocal trigonometric identities, which is sine theta is equal to 1 over cos theta. And make the cos the subject. So we have cos theta will then becomes 1 over sine theta. Cos theta is 1 over sec theta, or we make sec theta the subject. Sec theta is 1 over cos theta. Then we have tan theta, which is 1 over cot theta, or we can make cot theta the subject, giving us cot theta, which is 1 over tan theta. So this forms the reciprocal trigonometry identities. We also have the Pythagorean trigonometry identities that is based on right angle triangle. So the first one, we have sine squared A plus cos squared A, which is equal to 1. Then we also have 1 plus tan squared A, which give us sec squared A. So with this one, we can also make 1 the subject, which will give us sec squared A minus tan squared A will give us 1. Then with the third one, we have cosec squared A is giving us 1 plus cot squared A. So in the same way, we can have cosec squared A minus cot squared A will give us 1. Also correct. Then we have the ratio trig identities. The ratio trig identities, we have tan theta equal to sine theta over cos theta. Then we have cot theta. So here is cos theta over sine squared theta. So these trig identities will help us solve complex trigonometry questions quickly. These are not all. There are others. So subscribe for the next part of the trig identities.